Today we have the Hurikan 1000 mobile unit leaving the yard, destined for Bulgaria. The machine will be used in Bulgaria for eliminating animal waste primarily. There are now a total of 4 machines. This will be the 4th machine that's going over there, and it will be to incinerate dogs and cats and any animals really that may be causing them a problem. To build a Hurikan 1000 typically takes between 4 and 6 weeks, depending on the amount of work we've got going through production at that point. Initially we were contacted by the guys in Bulgaria through our distributor, who then put them in contact with us because they wanted to come and see us directly here. They came over, we took them around the production facilities and showed them everything that we're about. That impressed them enough to want to place an order with us, and they've actually now bought 2 machines. The machine will leave our yard later today, and then I will be going out there in a couple of weeks to meet up with our engineer, who will be doing the commissioning and the training on the machine, and then I'll be making sure that everything is okay with the customer. The strengths of the Waste Spectrum Hurikan 1000 is it's a fully mobile machine. It's totally self-contained, so it has on board a generator, a fuel tank and everything that it needs. So if there's a disease outbreak in any country, in any part of the world, and we have machines on all continents, as soon as we get a call from an agency, the people that are running the machine can deploy the machine and have it to a site, and once it's on site the machine can be up and running and incinerating the waste or the diseased animals or whatever it may be within 2 hours. Once the machine's on site and it's been commissioned and it's up and running, Waste Spectrum's job is to stay in communication with the customer, make sure they're happy, they understand everything that they need to keep the machine up and running, to do the preventative maintenance and to support them in any aspect of the waste process. The kit is a substantial piece of engineering, and it's our flagship model, and we're very proud of it. Everything to do with that machine, from draftsman up until final production and even here, is everything done at our Checkits Lane site. This Hurikan 1000 mobile in particular is a diesel machine. Diesels is obviously, because it's being transported, is the only viable fuel option. And it does carry a 1,000 litre tank on the back, so like I said, when in remote areas it can be fully independent. If we have a static version of the Hurikan 1000, which a lot of places do, especially in Saudi Arabia where they've got huge farms, they can use that gas or diesel. You can have kerosene and even biofuels. At Waste Spectrum we've built up a really substantial network of distributors that we've built over many years, and we work with people that can not only market and sell our equipment but also have the ability to service and support, which we feel is crucial. The Hurikan 1000 is capable of burning anything really. It obviously depends on the emission regulations for that country. Obviously if it's animal, it comes under ABPR, the EU regulation, and therefore there's no need for any further filtration. But let's understand here that the Hurikan 1000 can incinerate anything at all. At Waste Spectrum, what we build here is directly in line with our customers and what their needs and requirements are, and that's what's driven us to develop our equipment that you see here today. We have the widest range of incinerators on the market, but each one is tailored to meet a specific need. And if we, in the unlikely event that we don't have an incinerator to fit your need, then we will build a bespoke kit. As a British company supplying on a global market, I think that has been really good for us, because countries all around the world look for the UK and understand that we have a strong engineering background here, and whenever we go to sell our kit, we're always asked, is everything bought and sourced and manufactured within the UK? And I'm very proud to say that that is a definite yes on all of those fronts.